Hello everybody, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I got an Android phone that is called Tecno Spark 2024, and today I want to show you on how to do a hard reset. Okay, and this is the last cheapest price phone of Tecno company in 2004. Okay, and alright, so let's go to see how to do this. Firstly, you need to turn off the phone. Okay, just turn it off. Alright, after the powering off is completely, okay, we need to hold the power key for 2 seconds. After that, hold the volume down, okay, and then release the power and keep holding down the volume down. Okay, so let's go and follow me, and I count. Okay, I'm gonna count. Okay, just follow me. Press the power. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see, right here is the recovery mode. So we just I'm sorry, it just take only 8 seconds for doing this. Okay, and you have to remember that firstly you need to press the power for 2 seconds and then press the volume down. Okay, so once again I'm gonna turn off the phone again and do it again. Okay, just powering off. Okay, alright, so let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, right here. Okay, I hope you can do this. Okay, so after we can see the recovery mode, we have to use the volume up and the volume down, okay, to select the option. And what we are doing here is want to format the phone. So we need to select on the wipe comparison, wipe data factory reset right here, and then select on the power, and the process will begin to format the data. Okay, so that's it for the hard reset on Tecno Spark 2024. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.